Hey y'all, welcome back to Walmart Wednesday. Yes, child, I was out. I've been missing in action, but I have not been to the Walmart. I've been buying stuff online. I've been sneaking in every now and then. So let me show y'all what I picked up. And first of all, we're going to start off with the drill. Yes, and I've been doing a lot of work with this drill. I will do a review on this shortly, but I just wanted to let you know I got me a drill. But that's not the fabulous stuff that I picked up. So let's get into it. And it's a very short haul. You know, you got to get into Walmart and you got to get out. So if some of y'all have watched my lives when I didn't have no electric, I found the lights again. These are very hard to find. And I got 2 and 3. So I found 3 of them. And I believe they go for less than $5 a piece. And, that's a really strong light. It's called a wireless light switch. 200 max luminance. So I'm going to put this up to the video so you can kind of see what it is. That way if you go try to find it, hopefully you'll be able to get it. These are very hard to find. I live in a hurricane area, and when the electric goes off, I mean it goes off. It could be off for 20 minutes. It can be off for 14 days. So I am a prepper, always have been a prepper, and this is just going to go into my bug out bag and my prepper supplies. So I was happy to come across and find 3 extra ones. This gives me a total of 5 now, but these will not be utilized. These will be put up in my bug out bag. It's at Walmart. I had to pick up my test strips right now because they're being sold out. So I just got some extra ones. Everybody's buying up all the test strips. If you're diabetic, you understand what I'm saying. So I picked this up. This was $5. And then I found, again, for my bug up bag, the Hot Hands hand warmers. Now these I've seen these in the Dollar Tree, but you only get 1 for $1, and they had these on clearance for 50 cents. So I got 6 packs. I'm not hot at any given time, but the crisis that we're in right now, you got to prepare. Because you never know when you got to live in the woods and it's cold outside, and you could drop one of these in your socks and in your hands. So I picked up 6, which was a total of 12 Hot Hands hand warmers. So if you see them at your store and you always wonder, you know, what you can utilize these for, pick them up. They never go bad. And just like MREs, stack it, put it down, and keep it moving. At least you'll be warm for 12 days, or however you utilize these for. Next, they had the cherry lip balm for 25 cents. So I just got some chapstick. I should have probably bought like 6 or 7 of these, but I just picked this up real quick. Because even in the summertime, you know, you get sunburn on your lips, and there's nothing like having glossy lips besides all that lipstick. This is great. Keep it in your car and also in your bug out bag. This that I'm about to show you is a great find. It is called a Bluetooth rugged water resistance wireless speaker. I was so happy. I should have probably got 2 of these. I always saying that. I always regret once I leave the store and do the videos for y'all. But this was $5 and it's water resistant and it's a Bluetooth speaker. So when I open it, I will do a review and let you know if it's loud, you know, and we'll see how this works, especially for the summer when I'm outside barbecuing, you know, and this is a great find for $5. So with that being said, this was $1. This was one Walmart store that I went to. It's not the super Walmart. I went down to the super Walmart that has the fabric, and I found this lovely, I'm not going to pull it all out the bag, but I found this lovely fabric with the palm trees on there. And then I got the lace fabric. So, and I think they were $2.99 a yard, so I purchased 2 yards, and you will see these in an upcoming video. So as usual, I'm always double checking. This is a very short video because a lot of the stuff that I have purchased from Walmart I have been utilizing, and these are just some of the small things that I totally forgot about that were still sitting in the bag, and I just wanted to share share with you guys my haul. And if you remember my $3 weekend shirt, yes, I have it on. It's a little big though. I'm surprised. So I must be doing something great to be losing weight, but just wanted to put my shirt on so y'all could see it. $3 from Walmart. Some fresh clothes, and Walmart does have plus size model clothes like me to wear. And with that being said, but anyway, at the end of the day, I hope everybody is doing great. I know we're going stir crazy right now. We're trying to find out, what's going on across the world. Are we going to be able to come up out of this pandemic? And I just hope everybody's being blessed, and staying safe. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Kel, and this is my channel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and you guys are in for a whirlwind, fabulous time here on my channel. I have a lot of exciting things that are going to be coming within the next 90 days, and I hope you stick around and join in on a lot of the open invites that I have coming. Now, if this is a channel that you think that you like and somebody else, please let them know. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment down below and let me know that you're new to the fabulous. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying this channel. I would love, love, love to have you here with me. So with that being said, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And make sure that y'all are staying safe, 6 feet spacing, especially up in that Walmart. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.